Okay, let's get this next can up there. I almost had a little situation come up where I was missing one of these little tabs. And because the other light fixture is so tight up to the joist, I took one of those off, so problem resolved. If you think these tabs don't come off, don't kid yourself. If you lose one of those black tabs, you might be having to run back to the store, okay? This is gonna go right up like that again. Are you seeing a repetition here? You know? Each one goes up the same way. I can't figure that out.
Oh, that one's out. Oh.
Okay. Oh. Ooh. Thank you. Okay. Now don't do like everybody else is and don't force it, just get a bigger hammer. Okay? If it doesn't go, then you may have to pull that back and you might have to trim off some of the sheetrock. Okay. Hopefully you don't have that any more of a problem than that. There. And I figure I might as well redirect, not have to think I'm going to be a He-Man and twist and all that without having to move the ladder one go or something. You know? I'm getting too old for that. I'm trying to work smarter, not dumber. For me anyways. If I was 20 years old, yeah, I'd have this all put in on one ladder at one angle and be done with it. You know? But I'm not. My screwdriver there. There's a definite little click there. You know, looks like this one I'm gonna have to redo it again. And once you start working on one, you could have a tendency of loosening up another one. So you know, when you get, before you get done, take a quick look at it and see if there's anything else you have to do. Aight. There. Boy, I heard that one snap into place. Now some of them have a definite little nudge. Others, that, man, I could hear that. Did you hear it snap? Just don't want to beat it up there too hard. You could, if you've got this cut not tight enough, this flange, I wish they would have made that flange just a hair wider. It wouldn't have hurt anything. What are they trying to do? Save thousands of dollars on their stuff instead of making a 1/2 inch flange or a 3/8 flange, make it 3/16. I mean, Jiminy Christmas. Other than that, I quite like those little boxes.
You do?
Yeah. It's a good one. Okay, guess what? We're ready for the next one. And this is the last one.
That's the one you've been looking for.
That's the one I've been looking for, you're right.